All right, so welcome to my channel. My name is Peter. I am the Serge, and this is Serge Digital Dynamics. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to locate your Facebook page in your Facebook profile and how to change your Facebook page name using your laptop, PC, desktop, or Mac. Okay, so let's head to my laptop screen and let me show you how to do that in very simple steps. All right, so if you want to change the page name of your Facebook page, the first thing you're going to do is you're on the web, or URL web. How to do it? You're simply going to go to Facebook, all right, and log into your Facebook username. So you put your Facebook credentials, that is your username and your password. Okay, so once you have logged into your personal Facebook, okay, so this is my own Facebook account here, my personal Facebook account here. So once you have logged into your Facebook, the thing you're going to do is you're going to go to that page. So how do you get to the page you want to? So firstly, you can come down to here and you can see all this, and then you can see pages here. Okay, so when you click on these pages, you're going to see all the pages you are an admin to and you have control to. You can equally come to this place here where there is account and you can see those pages here. Okay, so this is the page we want to change the name. All right, so you can see that we are switching to that account. Okay, so now I've switched to this page. Now this page, you can see you are now acting as Serge Initiative on Facebook. Okay, so I want to change that name because we have just revamped. So now you still come back to account and click on that profile, but now you are now going to go to settings and privacy. This settings and privacy is in this particular account you're logged in now. All right, so you still go to settings, and now once you are in settings and privacy, you're going to scroll down until you see page setup. Okay, so when you see page setup, but before that, if you're meeting me for the first time, welcome to my channel, Serge Digital Dynamics, where we talk everything finance, how to make money online, the new tools, some digital hacks and all of that. So we drop videos here, engaging videos that will help you in your online journey, especially if you're a beginner and you are just starting out. This is the channel for you, where I make things quite very simple. Okay, so let's go back to the main thing. So once you're on pages setup, you're going to click, and then you can see this is the page name. You can see page access, where you can invite other people to make them admins and all of that. Okay, so you're now going to go to name, where is view. Okay, so you can see now this is where you would simply edit. You see, you can click here and edit. Once you have edited, you see if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again in 60 days. So once you've changed your name, you are going to review it here and it is automatically going to change. Okay, so that is how you do that on the web. Thank you. So don't forget to like this video, to subscribe, and so that turn the bell notification, so that anytime I drop new engaging videos like this on how to your financial journey online and tools to use, you would always be the first to be notified.